Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to show you how to set up and use green shift sections in WordPress-blocks. Okay, so we're here on our dashboard, and on our left hand sidebar we have pages. And let's click on add new page, and you can just use sections on an existing page, but just for this video, to make it easier for us to see, we're going to start with a blank slate. Now, if you have Blocksy and use a starter site, typically it comes with green shift and it's going to automatically install. So we have our block editor over here, and we have a blank page, a brand new one. And on the upper right hand side here, we have this pancake looking icon called green shift helpers. Click on that, and let's click on templates. Here we are with sections. Now, the difference between sections and layouts is that layouts are basically full web pages. It might not look like it here, but this is a full page. So this is top to bottom with sections and so on. Sections are just areas. So let's preview this in a new tab. Preview section, user reviews, and call to action section. And then now you can see, right, when we scroll down, that's basically it. Hero section with button. Here is just the reviews area, and this one is just the call to action area. Okay, so there's nothing else here, no header, no footer. And you can see we can't even scroll anywhere else. So let's go ahead and import this one. Okay, just click on import. All right, there we are. And then we can also import another one. So again, free here. The ones with crowns are paid ones. And let's put in featured products. Click on import. Okay, and then next we can add another one. Let's see, category carousel. All right, just click on import. And you can see there's a bunch of other ones to choose from. You don't have to be limited to these. And there we are. Now, with the sections, we can start building our website. Now, something to keep in mind is you have to change whatever's on here. So let's get started with doing that. We have our hero logo over here. We can replace this with something in our media library. Probably just one of our background images, right? Website assets. Okay, it should load up if it doesn't take too much time. There we go. And then we have our settings bar here, or our right sidebar here, and you can see we have our presets and all of our other options, right? You just have to click on this to make it easy to change. Welcome to website assets. Okay, and now you can see we have our other layouts here, categories. We can click plus here. We can add another block. We can configure these. I probably delete this middle one just as an example. There we go. It moves right in. We can change the spacing, wide width, full width. Really depends on how we have this one set up. And we might be able to get away with, there we go, adjusting how these look like, right? And then for these ones, we just have to click on it, and you can see you can replace this with something from our media library. So one of our icons, probably just use the old one. And you can see computers, electronics, and everything is actually pretty configured already for you. You just have to change the URLs for these links. You can change the animations over here, right? Flip up, and so on and so forth. So you can have a bunch of sections, again, like we said, green shift helpers and templates and sections. And you can see there are a bunch to choose from. And you can make this work for you with your website. So I'm going to publish this, and let's go ahead and preview this. Well, let's name this as sections, green shift sections test. Okay, we can save that, and then we can preview this in a different tab. Okay, as you can see, we have it live here, and we don't actually have to preview it, but if you want to preview it, you could. And we are on our live site, and you can see we have the sections that we just used, right? And then for this one, we changed up the animation when we scrolled down, and we can add much more, and these are all functional, right? If I click on this, the HTML doesn't work, so we'd have to configure that. But all of these, as you can see, makes it look like we did this all ourselves, but really we just used the templates from GreenShift to put on here. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.